In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Tonkeeper account. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your phone. If you already have the app installed, launch it from your home screen. If you changed phones, deleted the app, or reset your device, download Tonkeeper again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you install the official Tonkeeper app only. When Tonkeeper opens, you should see options like Create New Wallet and Import Existing Wallet. Since you want to recover an old wallet, do not create a new one. Instead, tap Import Existing Wallet, Import Wallet, or Restore Wallet, depending on what appears on your screen. Now, Tonkeeper will ask for your recovery phrase. This is usually a list of secret words that was shown when you first created the wallet. Carefully type the words in the exact same order. Make sure every word is spelled correctly, and do not add extra spaces. After entering the recovery phrase, tap Continue or Restore. If the phrase is correct, Tonkeeper will bring back your wallet address, balance, tokens, and transaction history connected to that wallet on the Ton blockchain. Next, create a new passcode for the app. This passcode protects access to Tonkeeper on your device. Depending on your phone, you may also be able to enable Face ID, fingerprint unlock, or another biometric option for faster access. Once the wallet opens, check your balance and asset list. If some tokens do not appear right away, look for Manage Tokens or Add Token and enable the tokens you used before. You can also refresh the app or check your wallet address on a Ton blockchain explorer. If you do not have your recovery phrase, Tonkeeper cannot restore the wallet for you. Because Tonkeeper is a self-custody wallet, only the person with the recovery phrase can recover access. Tonkeeper support cannot reset it like a normal password. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Do not type it into Telegram, websites, bots, support chats, or random forms. Anyone who gets your phrase can control your wallet and move your funds, and that's how you recover your Tonkeeper account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.